Guys, welcome to Addota farm. In today's video, I'm here again in our goat farm, and today I came here with one person, like one of my subscribers. I met him online, and he was saying he has an interest in goat farming, so he decided to send her elder sister to come and see the farm. So far she has seen the farm, and the farm is going very well. So I just decided to just show you few things and how the farm has been turning out well. The goat has been doing well, like I said, although two of them has given birth already, so we are still waiting for the rest of the goats to give birth also. So please, if you want something like this, or if you are interested in goat farming, you can contact me, then and I'll be your assistant. I can assist in any way. Or if you want to know anything about goat, you can contact me. I will reply you, and you can start your goat farming. Like I said, goat farming is lucrative in Nigeria. You go into it, you will regret investing your money into goat farming. You can watch some of my videos, not only goat farming, we talk about livestock generally, but today we are in Addota goat farm already. So last week, one of my partner came here with the farm doctor, and he was treating and giving them injection, things like that. So if you want a farm doctor, so you want a veterinary doctor, I can help you with one. So we are here, and the woman has seen everything, so she's going to give reply to his brother, and the person is staying in UK. So he decided to come and see my farm, and the woman has saw the farm already. So I decided to share these few things with you guys, that we have a goat farm which is going well. So if you start up yours like that, you're going to enjoy goat farming in Nigeria. Please, if you're here to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when next we drop a new video for you. And like I said, I'll keep on updating you guys on every step that I've been going on how the farm has been going well. So thank you, and bye for now.